Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to talk about Wall Street Shiba. But before we move on, I just have to mention that this is not a financial advice. Everything what I'm saying is only for education and entertaining purposes. Okay, so you do your own research, guys, right? So Wall Street Shiba. Okay, let's go straight into what the Wall Street Shiba is, right? So powered by AI, driven by DeFi, and motivated by the raw energy of internet culture, Wall Street Shiba is the world's first ICM native meme coin. Okay, redefining what it means to be part of the next financial revolution based on ideas, right? So we got a DEX, right? Custom built centralized exchange tailored for ICM assets, meme tokens, and high velocity trading with zero fees. ICM Labs, backed by STIBA community and ecosystem. Any ideas be founded, tokenized, and promoted to early investors. Okay, STIBA is the name of the token, right? So Wall Street Shiba. Okay, so the ticker is STIBA, right? Barrack Street 101, an e-learning and journaling platform built to empower almost everyone from beginners to crypto experts. Staking, okay, very important. Put your STIBA to work and earn passive rewards through our high-performing staking pools and community-driven capital. Okay, so it's AI trading and analytics tools help users trade smarter, while any community board ideas can be tested, tokenized, and funded. Right, so it's absolutely fantastic to see that those new meme coins created. Okay, they actually started to integrate it the same way like Wall Street Shiba is start doing it right now, which is DEX, ICM Labs, Barrack Street 101, which is e-learning basically, staking, and community driven capital. Okay, so it's something which is very important when it comes to all those coins, right, guys? We always remember, okay, so if there is a utility behind the coin is a potential, right? This one definitely has some utilities, all right? And plus, look, it's already raised 1.5 million, okay, and it's only been a week, okay, since they introduced it, okay, and that exactly a week ago, okay, between now and week ago, you got 1.5 million, okay, or already USDT being raised, which is absolutely fantastic, right? Say 1 day left, okay, until price rises. Right now, the price is 0.0091, okay, and if you want to buy it for your STIBA, you can use the either Ethereum or BSC, okay. Let me see if there are any others. Yeah, Ethereum or USD on BSC network, okay. Those two are available here, so you just need to go connect your wallet, and once you done it, okay, you just put the amount you want to purchase with your choosing assets, right? And once this is done, okay, there is another big thing currently happening on the on the Wall Street Shiba, okay, Shiba, and it's called Wall Street Shiba, the $1 million empire, okay. So there we go, we got a giveaway, okay, 50 lucky winners, right? So you like a $2 million giveaway. Can you imagine $2 million, guys? Okay, so basically what it does, okay, so we're thrilled to launch a Wall Street Shiba Millionaire giveaway, okay, where 50 winners will each receive $40,000 worth of STIBA, right? So you can receive $40,000 worth of STIBA token, okay, and let's say that this token will do, I don't know, will end up to be, I don't know, 2 cents, 5 cents, okay, who knows? Sometimes we know all this, we all know the stories that some of those going to end up into like 40 cents, 50 cents, or even $2, right? You never know, like it's not nothing promising in this crypto world, okay, but there is a if there is a potential, if there is a community there, okay, and there is a utility behind it, okay, and that's definitely possible, right? So could you imagine if you win one of those 40,000 giveaways, okay, you already have 40,000 worth of STIBA, $40,000 worth of STIBA tokens, right? And let's say that this token will go up, 2x, 3x, so you already be like well off by just participating inside this giveaway, right? So there we go. What you need to do, you just need to submit your ERC20 wallet, okay? Enter your wallet to qualify for new draws. Step 2, complete all the quests. Follow every step carefully to increase your odds. The more you complete, the closer you are winning. Okay, and refer friends and boost your entries. Okay, so get plus 50 bonus entries for every friend you refer, right? The more you shield, the better your odds. Okay, follow these steps to win $40,000 and become one of the Wall Street Shiba millionaires. Okay, there we go. So I highly encourage you guys to go ahead and check it out. Okay, it might be one of you guys who will win this $40,000. It will be absolutely fantastic if you don't it, and if you win it, just let me know inside the comments. I'll be very happy to hear that. Okay, if some of my viewers win this 40,000 US dollars worth of STREET tokens, I'll be much appreciated to hear that, right? So total entries already 125,000 people. Okay, there you go. Days left, 148 days left, but there's 125,000 already be participating in it. Okay, now Wall Street Shiba, that's their X account. Okay, 6,000 people there. When we go into their Telegram, there's a 2,821,000 subscribers already there. Very encouraging you guys to go ahead and check it out and just simply join their socials, because that's the best way to find out about any sort of news, like for example this one, this giveaway, okay, on Gleam, right? So this is something which you can definitely be able to see if you join their Telegram or if you follow them on on Twitter, right? So now, token audit already been completed by Solid Proof. Okay, and by the way, guys, this is powered by World Liberty Financial, right? So World Liberty Financial, okay, it's known in recent months. Okay, so there you go. They have been backed by this company, right? Okay, it's this promising. Okay, you never know. Okay, with all those tokens, it's nothing promised here, but that's something which is actually giving it some sort of additional proof, okay, that this project might be something bigger. Okay, so people are still buying it. Okay, see those wallet addresses, and the amount of tokens they've been purchasing. Okay, and look at how many people already are talking about this one, right? So all those YouTube influencers already been talking about the Wall Street Shiba, right? So definitely worth checking out. Okay, they already been mentioning on Morningstar, Benzinga, Street Insider, Business Insider, and others like Associated Price, Market Watch, and others. Okay, so guys, definitely they actually put some effort into promoting this one, right? So guys, stay by ICM Labs, right? This is something which is definitely might interest some of you. Okay, STIBA ICM Labs is a research and product development arm focused on building the future of DeFi through memetic virality, AI utility, and internet capital market. Okay, ICM, very important, guys. ICM, internet market, capital market infrastructure. Okay, so tokenize your ideas in 2 clicks. You got a vision, turn it into the live token fast, no coding, no waiting, just launch, guys. That's something which is currently be done by Pump Fund, very successful on Solana network, and Wall Street Shiba is trying to do the same here on Ethereum. Okay, and I believe that will be Ethereum MBSC. Okay, and instant ETF fees. Okay, so it will be on Ethereum, right? So as soon as your token goes live, you earn 0.5% ETH on every buy. Okay, your ideas pay you from day one. That's very cool. An AI-powered promotion. Our built-in AI promoter connects your project to early adapters, hype chasers, and serious backers, and build utilities that matter. Okay, add real value with customizable utilities like airdrops, burns, taking rewards, and gamified mechanics. Okay, Enter Labs, that's something which will come in soon. Okay, Stiga AI Exchange, there you go. AI powered insights, custom trading dashboard. That's something also I would highly encourage you guys to work it through and read this on their website. Remember, website wallstreetshiba.com. Very important, guys, that you will be ending up in a very legitimate website. Okay, wallstreetshiba.com. Take a note. Okay, do not enter any other sites. Okay, which might be something with some of, as we all know, there's so many scams out there. Okay, and let's say that they actually make a couple of those letters, reverse a couple of those letters, add additional extension. Okay, and the website might look the same, but it will be exactly opposite. Okay, there will be a scam website. Okay, so very important, you have to focus on that, guys. wallstreetshiba.com, that's the legitimate site. Highly encourage you guys to join their Telegram, to join their to their socials like Telegram and X, right? And I think that's all what I want to cover in this particular video. Okay, and right, look, 5,132 5,132% staking rewards. Sorry, I nearly missed this one, but this is a huge one. Look, when we click on staking, right? Welcome to STIBA staking. Lock in 5,132% APY by staking your STIBA for at least 10 days and watch your rewards grow while helping power the meme-fueled financial revolution. The longer you stake, the more STIBA you earn. It's that simple, but play it smart. Unstaking early means losing your staked amount, okay? There we go. Estimate rewards. Guys, always remember, this is an estimate, okay? Once this is go live, okay, there will be more and more people staking, right? This rewards might goes down, okay? They might goes down. They probably most likely will go down, okay? But for the moment, they estimated it's gonna be 5,132. But this is not like it's not set in stone, okay? This is only estimate and probably will go lower with the time, okay? So earlier you join, okay, more obviously percentage will you receive, right? So guys, I think now I think that's all I want to cover. And if you have any questions, leave it down below. And if you can subscribe to my channel, it would be much appreciated. Thank you very much.